Hey, what's up guys, this is BD from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞. I haven't uploaded any videos in 2 months, but now I will start uploading videos back. So in this video, I will show you an app that you must download in your iPhone, or you should install this app before buying second-hand iPhone. So before I show you guys the app, subscribe to the channel if you haven't and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help my channel to grow. Now, the name of this app is 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞. It's kind of a free app, that is, you will have to bear the ads for 5 seconds. This app checks health of your iPhone. It is very useful for those who wants to buy second-hand iPhone. You can quickly check its performance. Let's open it. You will get this pop-up for subscription. Just tap on limited version over here. App UI is very simple and you will get all this option to check all iPhone features are working properly or not. So let's check few features, starting with digitizer. In this, you have to drag to fill whole display, and once it's completed, you will get tick over here. That means display is working properly. Also, in between you will get ad like this, so you have to bear them for 5 seconds. Now let's try sensor. Just wave your hand at the sensor, and if it's working properly, you will get this pop-up. Like this, you can check your iPhone speaker, microphone, flash, LCD and many more features of your iPhone, or before buying second-hand iPhone. Other than that, you also get these 3 options at the bottom, that is speed test. You can check your Wi-Fi speed or your data. Next we have battery test. It checks your battery and shows its percentage, volts, etc. And last we have over here codes. With these codes you can check your device info, call forwarding or hide your phone number from caller ID. But the main feature of this app is test list. So that's all about the 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞 app, and you guys must download in your iPhone. It's a best app to check your iPhone feature are working properly or not. Also, it's a free application. Let me know what do you think about this app in the comment box. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Now, I will see you on the next one. Peace.